You need a tip on how to get stuff out of these hole saws after you cut it, because they're really hard to get out. And these two little holes back here, you can poke something in there and beat it out. That's usually what I do, is use a pick on the smaller ones and like jam it in there and get it out. But on some of these big ones and stuff, you usually try to run a screw down in them. And this is HardieBacker, so it's a little tougher than the wood. Just run 2 screws down in it. Usually it pulls it right out. My bit's about wore out. Usually works pretty good.